Hello world, what is up everyone? Welcome back to today's video and welcome back inside the skincare vault. Today guys, I am surrounded by some of my favorite tried, true, tested holy grail skincare products that I use, when I want my skin to be extra glowy, extra dewy, extra angelic, if I want to go out and show off my skin. You guys know I'm all about that pearlescent glow, that glass skin, that hydrated skin, and I definitely have a few products that I continually reach for if I want that really, just shabam skin. Now, not only do I want to share with you guys some of my favorite skincare products, but I also want to share with you some tips, tricks, techniques. There's definitely tips and tricks that I use to get the most out of my skincare products and get the most glowing skin possible. So I've got a lot to share with you guys. I cannot wait to get these skincare products on my face, That's why we're all here, so let's get to it. Well, I do have to put a little bit of... Did you guys notice my lips last week in last week's video? You guys, okay. Right now I'm using this. This is the Brazilian Kiss Capuaçu Lip Butter by Sol de Janeiro. Honestly, I can do a whole video on Sol de Janeiro. I have so many of their skincare products, and that's something I'm going to get to. But did you guys notice last week in my video, my lips, like the corners of my lips were sticking together? I don't know, I got this new lip oil. It's Marc Jacobs Coconut Lip Oil, and it gives your skin it gives your lips like the best gloss. Like, look at this gloss. Hello, such good shine. But if you look in last week's video, like my lips are sticking together in here, and that is just not hot. That's not hot at all. That is not a look. Who wants their lips to be stuck together? So maybe this lip oil is more for like pictures, but definitely not for videos. And if I was out in public, I would have been mortified. But the Brazilian Kiss, this is where it's at. It also smells delicious. Okay, so in order to get the best skin possible, obviously we have to start with cleansing the skin. Now, I just got out of the shower, but I have not cleansed my skin, and trust me, I can feel like it is just like, ooh, it feels dry, dull, and it definitely needs a good cleanse. So let's roll up the sleeves. If you follow my channel, it's no surprise to you guys that I'm going to be using two different cleansers at the same time. And let me break it down for you. Today we're going to be using the SkinCeuticals LHA Cleanser Gel, as well as Acaderma Serenity Calming Cleanser. Now I'm going to take the SkinCeuticals LHA Cleanser Gel, and I'm not going to take that much, just a little bit on the ends of my fingertips here. And this cleanser gel contains glycolic acid as well as salicylic acid. So how I'm going to use this cleanser is by applying it in the T-zone here, on my chin, above my lip, and I'm just going to let it sit there, for a couple of seconds, maybe 30 seconds, and just let it soak into the pores. I like to use it on my T-zone just to help combat that oil, as well as get deep into the pore to clean out all of that congestion. Now, this is where I go in with the Acaderma cleanser, and this actually contains hemp oil. This is a super calming cleanser, and in fact, it doesn't even contain any soap. So very, very gentle, and hemp oil is very calming. It's also very hydrating, very soothing, and an antioxidant. So I'm going to use this on the outside of my face here. Now the reason I do this is because I find the outsides of my face here is much more dry than my T-zone. So I really want to add hydration and calmness, no irritation in the outer side of my face. All right, now that I have two different cleansers on my skin, this is where the magic begins to happen, you guys. Now I can't say too much about this, but it's the Foreo Luna Plus. That's not even out on the market here in North America. This is like an exclusive, you guys. This is just for you. No other influencers have this device, literally in North America. And I am going to be doing a full review on it, so stay tuned. But what I can let you guys know right now is this has all the benefits of the traditional Foreo Luna, but the plus benefit is it actually has a thermotherapy in the middle here, and it has microcurrent on the back. So that's all I'm going to say for now, but I've turned the device on and I'm just going to start gliding this all over the skin. Now, it doesn't matter so much if the cleansers mix together. I'm not too concerned about that, but I always like to start on the outside of my face here. Now, I have my Foreo Luna Plus customized through my phone, so I have it set to exactly what I like. I can feel that thermotherapy starting to work now. You guys know I love my Foreo devices. Honestly, the Foreo Luna line and now the Foreo Luna Plus, best cleansing device on the market. Yeah, I said it. Ooh, that thermotherapy feels so good. Now, I'm not going to show you guys how to use the microcurrent on the back yet. I'm going to save that for its own review. But now that my skin is cleansed, I'm going to give it a little rinse. We're going to come back and take a look at it, and I'll meet you guys back here in 1 second. All right, now my skin just feels super fresh. That Acaderma cleanser, you guys, I keep mentioning Acaderma. I will have a code down below. I've been so excited to tell you guys this. I actually have a personalized code with Acaderma. You guys know Acaderma is one of my favorite skincare brands, and recently I got a unique code for you guys to save 20% off of Acaderma products. So that code is Trevor20. Pretty simple. Trevor20 at checkout, save 20%. This is an affiliate link. However, I love Ecoderma products, and I'm sure you guys are going to love them as well. All right, now the next step is adding in a first treatment essence. And if you guys saw last week's video, I actually did a full review of the Estee Lauder Micro Essence Skin Activating Treatment Lotion Fresh with Sakura Ferment. You guys know I love first treatment essences, and in particular, I love the entire Estee Lauder Advanced Night Repair line, which is powered by Bifida Ferment Lysate, and that's exactly what this toner is, or essence, I should say. Now, what an essence does is it actually helps with the uptake of all of the other skincare ingredients that we're going to be applying to the skin after the first treatment essence. So this essence is full of, like I said, Bifida Ferment Lysate, one of my favorite ingredients in skincare. It's just super hydrating, super nourishing, super soothing. Of course, there's also glycerin sodium hyaluronate that's going to add that hydration at a deeper layer of the skin. But the real reason to start with the first treatment essence is really to prepare your skin for the other serums that we're going to be layering on top. And I just love this micro essence. I know that it's very expensive, but this really is up there with the SK2 essence. It is a real luxury skincare product, and you guys know how I feel about luxury skincare. Okay, so you guys can already see just after the first treatment essence, my skin is super luminous already. It's much more hydrated, and it's ready to accept all of the other skincare products that we are about to apply to the skin. So for a toner, I'm going to be following with the Rovectin Skin Essentials Activating Treatment Lotion Advanced Formula, which is hypoallergenic. Now, the reason why I'm choosing this toner in particular is because it actually contains 7 different hyaluronic acids. And for today's skincare routine, I really want to go for adding moisture deep into the skin, really plumping up the skin, and showing you guys how you can transform your skin with skincare products. Now, adding sodium hyaluronate, I mean, look, I'm just like mesmerized by how goopy this is, how hydrating it is. Now, recently there has been a lot of buzz around sodium hyaluronate in skincare products, and potentially that it could be drying your skin out. And for right now, I'm just going to pretend that that issue just isn't existing, and I'm just going to go with the fact that if you use hyaluronic acid, you can in fact pull moisture into the skin and plump out those fine lines and wrinkles. It just needs to be treated correctly, and what I mean by that is sealed in with a moisturizer so that you don't prevent any water loss. So let's just add this right to the hand here. Now, of course, things haven't changed. I still apply my toners, my essences, just with my hands. I don't like to use a cotton pad anymore. For a really long time, I actually used those cotton pads to apply my toners, and I feel like I just wasted so many cotton pads when, in fact, I also want my toner to, if it's going to go anywhere, I want it absorbed into my hands, not into a cotton pad. I want the most bang for our buck, you guys. Okay, my skin is already glowing. I can see it in the monitor. It's like, oh, it's reflecting. Does anyone need a mirror? You can borrow my skin. As you guys can see, my skin is definitely looking a lot more plump and luminous, although already I can feel that it's starting to dry down. So this is where we want to move quickly to apply other skincare products so that we don't lose the benefit of the sodium hyaluronate of the 7 different types. So now up next, I'm going to be layering on 2 different serums. No surprise here. Today, I'm going to be using the Estee Lauder Advanced Night Repair Synchronized Multi-Recovery Complex in the SkinCeuticals CE Ferulic Combination Antioxidant Serum containing 15% L-ascorbic acid. Now, the reason why I'm using 2 different serums, this is not uncommon for me. Sometimes I'll use 3, sometimes I'll use 4 serums, but 2 serums at the very, very least. Now, because today I'm going for that hydrated, dewy, supple, healthy skin look, that definitely means that I need to start with my Estee Lauder ANR serum. Now, I'm actually on 2+ years using the Estee Lauder ANR serum. That is a very long time to stay with one skincare product. And in fact, I'm actually at the 1-year mark for using the newly relaunched ANR serum. So Estee Lauder launched a brand new version of this serum last year, and I've been using it for a full year. So I've been meaning to do a 1-year update. If you guys want to hear about that, let me know in the comments down below. I know I hear from a lot of you guys whenever I mention the ANR serum. So if you want to see that 1-year update, let me know. Now, Estee Lauder actually recommends that you apply this in a sweeping heart-shaped motion. That just never made sense to me. And this, I think it goes like this, like a heart, maybe like this, like a heart. I don't know, I don't follow that. I like to go upward. If you're doing a heart, aren't we pulling down? No, we want to do maybe a reverse heart. We want to do a rocket ship to the moon, do a wind tunnel, or help them smushed against a piece of glass. Now, of course, the Advanced Night Repair Serum is an iconic nighttime serum, although it can be used in the morning too, and I actually use it morning and night. It's super hydrating, it's very soothing, and as you guys can see, it makes your skin look so supple. And when added after the Estee Lauder Micro Essence and then that Rovectin toner on top, perfection. Okay, so now that my skin has that soothed, hydrated, dewy look, this is where I'm going to take the SkinCeuticals CE Ferulic Serum. Now, SkinCeuticals CE Ferulic Serum is literally the top tier top tier vitamin C serum on the market. And as you guys are going to see, I'm down to my last little drops here of this bottle. If you saw my original video, you guys saw the color of it. I can't really get any out here, but as you guys can see, so it's been about 3 or 4 months now since I've started this bottle, and the serum has turned this yellow color. Now, that's actually nothing to worry about, because something I have learned about the SkinCeuticals CE Ferulic serum is, even though it turns that shade of yellow, it has been proven that it has the same effectiveness for up to 6 months as when you open the bottle. So despite the color change, if you're still using it within 6 months, which, you know, it'll probably be used up within 6 months, it's still good. Now, if you want to learn in detail about this serum, I do recommend that you check out my original review where I go deep into vitamin C and we uncover why this vitamin C serum is at the top tier of the market when it comes to vitamin C serums. Now, when done correctly, vitamin C is a very, very, very powerful antioxidant for the skin. So what this means is it's going to help protect your skin against UV damage, outside aggressors, and really work to protect your skin. Now, when vitamin C is paired with a sunscreen, you have got like the best sun protection ever. You're basically getting the best protection that you can from skincare products. Now, the reason why I'm using my vitamin C serum today is not only to protect my skin, but also to get that vitamin C glow. So now that we've added the hydration in with the Estee Lauder Advanced Night Repair, I like to take my SkinCeuticals CE Ferulic to really add that glow back on top of the skin. And as you guys can see, the glow is alive and well. Now, because today I'm going for the most flawless skin possible, I am going to be using an under eye cream. Now, you guys know I don't always use under eye creams, but when I do, I love to use the Estee Lauder Advanced Night Repair Eye Supercharged Complex. Now, you can always use your regular moisturizer under your eye. That's completely fine if it's not irritating, but there is something to be said about finding a special eye cream that does deliver immediate benefits. So I know in my mind, whenever I use an eye cream, I don't think that I'm going to get like different long-term benefits as a regular moisturizer, but when you find the right eye cream, what it can do is when you apply it, it can help to smooth out the under eye, it can help to reflect light from the under eye. You know, it's not getting rid of bags or darkness under the eye, but it is helping to reflect light while you have the product on your skin. So I just like to take a little bit, 2 little blobs on each of my fingers there. I'm going to rub these together. And just like all of the other Estee Lauder Advanced Night Repair products, the application of this under eye cream is literally, it's like, I don't know, I haven't felt anything like it before. I always say it's almost like rubbing a warm stick of butter on your skin. It just melts away, it glides, and I just find that after I apply this under eye cream, my eyes look way more smoothed out. Now that does have to do with the texture enhancers, the silicone, the dimethicone, really giving you that nice skin feel and really nice finish. While you have the product on the skin, it is going to help to smooth out those pores, any of those fine lines, really giving you kind of that airbrush skin. Now we do need to seal everything in with a moisturizer, and today I'm going to be using the SkinCeuticals Triple Lipid Restore 242 moisturizer. Now, you might have already seen my entire review on this moisturizer, and I'm going to be honest with you guys, I'm just using it today to get rid of it. I'm almost at the end, and look, okay, there's just a little bit left, and I'm thinking to myself, just Trevor, use this moisturizer to get rid of it. If you saw my original review of this moisturizer, it does have great skincare ingredients. It has great omegas, it has fatty acids, it has cholesterol, it has ceramides, and it is full of really great ingredients that your skin can use to help restore itself. However, the price is just very expensive. I find that it doesn't spread very easily, and for that reason, it just wasn't one of my favorites. Here in Canada, this moisturizer is almost $200, so the fact that you need to sometimes go into the container several times to cover your whole face just was not my favorite. But you know, to each their own. It does have a slight pine scent, almost like a menthol scent. Not my favorite either. It's a super thick moisturizer, and I will say at the very least it does add a nice barrier on top of the skin. Since we've used so many different serums, essences, and toners, it is nice to have kind of a thicker moisturizer just to lock everything in, and that is definitely the SkinCeuticals 242 moisturizer. I mean, you guys, take a look at this skin. Hello, suppleness. Hello, hydration. Hello, skin goals, you guys. I mean, all of these products together. Look, the proof is in the pudding. The proof is right here. The proof is before your eyes. I mean, take a look at my skin, you guys. Compared to when we first started, my skin, I mean, I can feel this hydration basically all the way down to my bones. Like, my skull is like, oh, Trevor, I can feel I've literally hydrated my skull. I've hydrated my skull. Trevor's done it again. Alright guys, if you've used any of my favorite skincare products before, let me know in the comments down below. Don't forget to give today's video a thumbs up. It really helps me out. It's a free way that you can help out my channel. I appreciate it. Please take a second right now. Click, 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 click. thumbs up. Boo! And if you made it to the end of today's video, Romeo, Richie, and I love and appreciate you so much. Thanks for sticking around until the very end. I appreciate it. I appreciate all of your support. I hope you guys are all staying happy, healthy, and safe, and we'll see you in the next video. Bye, guys.